Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're focusing on a crucial component for a popular home audio setup. The ABLEGRID 1.8 meter, which is approximately 6 feet, long power cord specifically designed for the VIZIO SmartCast 38-inch soundbar system subwoofer. Model number SB3851-D0. This isn't just any power cord. It's engineered as a direct replacement or a reliable spare for that particular subwoofer unit. The cord utilizes a standard polarized two-prong plug, a common type, but it's always prudent for the user to visually confirm the port on their specific subwoofer matches this configuration before purchasing to guarantee a perfect fit. ABLEGRID emphasizes the quality control behind these cords, stating that each unit is tested and confirmed to be in great working condition upon arrival, ensuring it's ready for immediate use right out of the package. Beyond simply providing power, this cord incorporates important safety and durability features. It includes overheating protection, a critical function managed by an integrated smart chip that helps prevent potential hazards. Furthermore, it offers overload protection, achieved through the construction with high-quality wires designed to handle the power requirements safely. These protective measures are significant, adding a layer of reliability to the supply for your valuable audio equipment. The VIZIO SB3851-D0 system is known for its immersive sound, and the subwoofer plays a key role in delivering that deep, resonant bass, often highlighted by its bass boost capability. A consistent and safe power source is absolutely essential for the subwoofer to perform optimally and contribute effectively to the overall sound experience. This ABLEGRID cord serves as that vital link, providing the necessary corded electric power. Whether the original cord has been misplaced, damaged, or if a longer cable is needed for better placement options, 6 feet offers considerable flexibility. This ABLEGRID power cord presents itself as a robust and purpose-built solution. It's designed specifically for this VIZIO subwoofer, aiming to restore or maintain its functionality, ensuring the user can continue to enjoy the full power and bass performance of their soundbar system without interruption.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.